Stop. Hammer time. Rat-a-tat-ta.
Skibbity wop bop bop.
There. Oh, yep. Good afternoon, morning, whatever it is, YouTube. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MSCE069. It's a 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. Yes, we know it has caprice tails. They're not black trim. The best that we can tell, somebody borrowed some things before this bad boy went to auction. The wheels and door panels. Still a very clean car, though. Looks like the previous owner took really good care of it. Like I said, they knew insurance was coming for her, and they just borrowed a couple of parts. Do a nice walk around here. Like I said, the door moldings are MIA, the OEM wheels are MIA. It has been repainted. This is what totaled it out, though. Left front hit, mileage, and insurance values, I'm sure, is what put her to rest. Andy here is hooking up the jump box so we can talk about this LT1. This is an LT1 4L60E swap. We're going to be selling that motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. We're going to fire it up here in just a second so you guys can hear it. Looks like somebody really took care of it. The water pump looks a little bit newer. Does have a nice K&N on it. Not coming with the motor, but that does let you know that at least somebody cared at some point. Let's go ahead and fire this up, though. Stop. Hammer time. Rat-a-tat-ta.
Skibbity wop bop bop.
There. Oh, yep. Is that a bad box? Well, we're having some connection issues here. There we go. Side post GMs are literally just the absolute worst to try to jump. 219,000 miles. No idea what's been replaced or rebuilt. Assume that everything is factory as far as drivetrain goes. If you luck out, you luck out. But I'm gonna shut up and let you guys listen to this motor. Good oil. Check the cap. Oh, well, whoops, hold on. Very hard to do one-handed. There we go. No issues with the cap there. Now, I know that's not the greatest test of an engine, but at least we show you guys what's up. If it's got clean oil, we're gonna show you. If it's got dirty oil, we're gonna show you. We are 100% transparent on our motors, but that is what we do. We run them, we take a look at the oil, and we make educated guesses. We're car guys. You can kind of tell by the oil what's going on just by pulling the stick. Back to this car though. Nice passenger doors for sale. Let's check out the interior. We are gonna have a SS interior for sale. Bucket seats and console. Swing around and check out that driver's side. There's some issues with the seats. They'll need a little bit of repair, but very hard to find these. Does have a disc brake rear axle. We'll get that bad boy listed for sale. Aftermarket exhaust, but it looks like it's something that a muffler shop made. Probably not going to be able to cut that off and get it listed. Let's rev it up. Sounds pretty good. Let's test out the climate control. Power antenna. Nice.
Cold. Maybe you've already had your coffee.
That's working well too. I'm going to go ahead and test out the transmission now. Reverse. Drive. No crazy delay like a bad 4L60E has. We'll go one more time, reverse. drive. Yeah, a bad 4L60 has well, when they're getting weak, there's a very significant delay there. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for MSCE069, our 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this, you guys know the drill. Link down in the description below. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that happy stuff that keeps us on the YouTube. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.